And we are with the monkeys, and we found a ghost. I mean, we're in the code.
He sounds like first prize.
Monkeys assemble! Come on!
He sounds like first prize from Baldi's Basics.
Yo. Oh, he's following Green.
Green's dead.
Yeah.
Guys, wait up for me.
Monkeys, you know what to do. Follow me.
Doesn't. I'm stuck.
Green, follow Pumpkin. He's the monkey assist. He's the monkey assist. Where do you, he's in monkeys in here.
Please call me all.
But there he is.
Yo, finish! Come get me, little chunky boy.
Wait, there he is. Yeah.
Ah! No!
Where is he?
Run. Oh my gosh.
He sounds like first prize.
Oh my god! Oh.
Right there.
Hello.
First prize.
Hi.
It's really fun. Chase me.
Oh my god.
No thanks.
Yo, what's up?
I know that goes.
Yes.
Yo.
Oh jeez. Get out of your PPV.
Ha!
Yeah.
Ha!
Oh jeez, dude, where did he
Someone else.
go?
Chase someone else.
Oh, there he is.
Don't chase Pumpkin. Don't chase Pumpkin. Don't chase Pumpkin.
That's him. Right here. This guy. He's moving really fast.
Yo, whatever you do, don't
He's calling
chase
you
me.
out, right?
Don't chase me. Don't chase me. Just don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
I have the power of God on my side.
Oh gosh, no, balls, stop.
Ah!
No, stop.
I love you. Where'd you go?
You're so bad. Ow, ow, ow.
Where'd he go?
Where'd this bozo go?
I'm ghost hunting.
Wait. Did he just here?
I'm a professional ghost hunter and a monkey assist.
Balls left
The monkey
he
assist.
left the game.
Oh, he left.
Balls
He left!
the game.
Oh, he left.
The left fake. He's fake. The real one is black.
That's racist.
Your pumpkin is made.
Pumpkin!
He's up here.
Are you a
guys.
ghost hunter? Ghost hunter too.
I'm a ghost hunter.
I'm a monkey assist.
Man, now y'all ghost hunting. This is weird. I'm getting the fuck out of
Okay,
here.
now we go ghost hunting, guys. Let's go ghost hunting.
Monkeys, assemble!
Everybody wants to go ghost hunting, go to the stump. Wait, I think I know where he is.
Yeah, I know where he is. He's probably somewhere at his house. Cause he left.
That's a tree house.
He's left. He's gone. All right, monkeys assemble.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Where are you guys?
monkeys in here, in the mirror. We gotta figure out a code. So, everyone sit on the bench. Everyone sit on the bench. I'm gonna be taking ghost. I'm gonna be taking code request. Or raise your hand. Who wanna go first? Anyone have a code idea?
No.
All right. Then we'll join the code.
Wait. If we do a code and it fails, we need to do like a backup code of where
Okay, we'll do
meet.
hex.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. Okay. Let's just join the code hex and see what happens.
Hex, okay. Got it.
All right, everyone get it. HEX. It's my name.
Okay, hex. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, wait for the computer to clear up, monkeys.
Bro, what if he like?
Wait for everybody to get out. Oh yeah, wait for everybody to get out, guys. Okay.
Holy, I got into PvP.
All right, everyone.
I never got into this code ever.
I know it's a rare code. All right, everyone. HEX.
What?
All right, everyone got that?
No, I'm staying
Yep,
here.
I got
I've been
it.
waiting for
Right.
this moment for a long time to get into
All right,
this.
HEX. Everyone, HEX.
Why is everybody leaving, huh? Yep.
All right,
I ain't
Alright.
leaving.
3,
I've been waiting for
2.
Wait, what's the code? What's the
The
code?
code? Hex. HEX. For ghost hunting.
It's his name.
My name.
This is like the most popular.
All right, I'm gonna join through 5, 4, 3, 2. See you later, monkeys. And prepare for everyone. Alright, should be taking a second. There we go, monkeys. Why is it on infection? Okay. That's okay.
Shall we change it to casual?
Alright, whatever. Alright, everyone,
Meetup code.
yeah, this is our meetup code. Alright, do you guys want it to be on casual or infection?
Casual.
Yeah, I think casual is better.
Yeah.
What?
Alright.
Can we just go for our first ghost code? I mean, like.
Alright, everyone add a 1.
No.
Okay.
Add a 1 and then join. So it should be hex 1. It's gonna be your waiting music. Okay, never mind.
How
Here.
old are you?
The monkeys are here.
Yep.
Very good job.
Did it just walk?
No.
My brother.
Couple
I could always
ghosts
get this tall.
here.
Oh. This is how tall I could get.
Michael.
Bro, how do y'all do that? How do y'all float in midair? How do y'all float in midair? Oh, you put your controllers on the ground.
Yeah.
Just drop your controllers.
Yeah, don't drop them. Just place them on the
I'm gonna
ground.
slap you with my arm. Yes. Don't.
Don't drop. Don't throw them across the room.
So we're just
Alright.
Guys,
Alright, monkeys. You.
don't call me a monkey.
Yes.
Monkey. Alright, fine. I'll call you gorilla.
Yes. Bro, stop calling me a monkey. Call me
Oh,
a
I'll call you
bean.
beans. I'll call you beans. How about that?
Okay.
Alright,
Beans
beans.
is my friend's nickname.
Monkeys and bean. Where do you guys want to search?
Where's the place?
But no-
T3RR. Where's the place that ghosts should mostly occur?
I mean
know
caves, but
Banshee
caves is
Road.
blocked
I-
off. So I think city or canyons.
I'm helicopter. I know. Let's
I
do
got
canyons. Cause
Yes,
that should be a
beans?
big I got a banshee code. I got a banshee code.
Is it barely full?
I don't think anybody goes.
I don't like Banshee.
Okay, beans. You join the code and then join back and see if anyone's in there. Okay.
I mean, you gotta wait a minute because I experienced a lot of people trying to kick me and Bambi.
Okay. All right, everyone.
And then I have 2 more banshee codes.
Okay. Okay,
I
everyone.
don't like Banshee.
City or canyons?
Canyons.
All right.
Canyons.
Okay, canyon. Let's go. Okay, since we're ghost hunting, we're gonna need to stick together. Okay?
Got it.
Or do you want to do groups? Groups. I think groups are better. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, how much people are here? Okay,
How much?
there's gonna be 3 groups. Right. Pick your partners, everyone.
Who wants to be with me?
Who wants to be with monkeys?
Okay.
Who?
bro.
Alright, Brown. Brown, where are you?
Hex, we found our team.
Good job. You're gonna be called Team Monk. You're gonna be Team Monk.
Got
You're gonna be called Team Monk A.
Did you just get all of your way there?
Okay. Since okay, there you go. You're gonna be partners, okay? Alright, everyone. We're gonna be exploring canyons. Be with your partners. Let's just go.
Okay. Let's just go this way.
Just don't leave canyons. Just explore any suspicious activity.
What the? Wait. Oh, there you are.
Yo, what happened?
Oh, there.
Yo, Brown, you found anything? I don't think he has a mic.
Oh no, I found.
Okay.
1 second.
Oh, there you go.
Right. Have you guys found anything?
You lead. I don't know.
Ah, wait.
We got to wait for our.
Hmm.
Okay, let's go back. Go back.
Right. So far, what do you guys found?
And nothing.
I saw Echo in the codes.
You saw what?
In the room.
Well, you saw what in the code? Hello?
Okay. What? Wait. What are we
Apparently
doing
this guy... What did you see in the code? Guys, can you hear him?
Not code anymore, but I'm going to check out Cave.
Where he might.
Caves is blocked off.
F.
Yeah.
There's gonna be lots of people in like... Okay, okay, FF. If it doesn't work, join the code hex 1. FF.
Yeah.
What's the code?
FF.
C.
Wait, what's the code?
What?
What's the code?
F.
FF.
F.
No, there's no two F's.
What?
So
Okay,
it's
just
just one F, and then C. H. And then O. Now join that room. Ready?
Okay. If barely
1,
anyone's in there, join the code
2,
hex
3.
1. Okay. 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 You in? Okay. Or just wait for the people. Wait and stump.
Slithery.
What? I think your mic's glitching. Hold up. Raise your hand if you're talking right now. No, I can't hear you at all.
Hey.
There. Ready? Maybe. FCHO. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Guys.
Nothing
Okay.
much.
Nothing much. Both of them are blue and pink still there.
Wait, hello, guys.
We're in basement right now,
Yeah, we're in
Okay. Okay.
but we'll go to Stump.
Did you guys find anything?
No, there was not anything in there.
Okay. Guys, we got a code. Right, guys, we got a code. Hold up. You talk right now. Purple, talk.
Me?
Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, the code is FCHO.
Say that again.
FCHO.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Press enter in 3, 2, 1, monkey. All right, everyone. Perfect.
Wait.
All right, black. Yeah. Okay.
I'm not going in that tree house. Okay, Banshee is not there. Someone else. Wait.
All right. Do you guys know how
Only
Banshee
one
works? Do
code.
you guys know how
I
Banshee
did
works?
last-
Yeah, I know how Banshee works.
Yeah.
And I'm not
There's only
looking
one
at
code?
her at all.
Yeah. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Don't look at her.
Or else I'm going to. Should I?
All right. Don't look at her. Does anyone care to explain what she does? Okay. Do you want to explain or me?
You could explain.
Oh, okay. So Banshee's like a ghost in Treehouse. She like stands like this. She's like laying around Treehouse. If you look at her,
So like this?
don't look. Yeah, like that. Don't look at her. Please don't. She could say your name, your phone number, your IP address, and very bad stuff could happen.
I don't have a phone number.
Good job. Me neither.
Yay.
So we're good for the phone number things, but the IP address and your name.
Hold on, I'm going to
I
get
am
done.
not gonna look at her.
Wait,
or
I know
else
one
I-
code that hit.
Okay. All right, black. You join the code and then come back and say if it's full or not, or if it can fit all of us.
Do we join back to Hex 1?
Oh no, we're gonna stay in this code. He's gonna join the code, and then he's gonna come back and say if it's full or not.
Okay.
Black, I recommend. Okay, he left.
Hold up, guys. Somebody else is gonna go ghost hunting with you guys, or just leave. I don't know. But next time I play Gorilla Tag, I'll enter this code.
Okay. Right, you guys want to put on a show while he's okay? Is it full or is it?
We can't hear you. We
can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
Okay, delete. Wait.
What's the code? Code?
Oh wait.
What code?
Okay,
code
guys.
are you guys joining for?
Go
Okay,
son.
so the code is SOU. I can't see.
U
I can't.
SOU
R
R. So sour.
C E
Source.
Wait. So it's SOURE.
S. Wait, after the R is E.
I don't know.
How do you not know?
Is it a C or an E?
What's
Okay,
after
guys,
the
follow
R?
me.
Yes.
SO.
O.
I can't see.
U.
R
R.
C
C.
E
E.
1.
1.
You bet.
Yes. 2, 3.
Source. All right, source 1. have to do the old go into a public lobby and then. Holy crap! Yo, I'm guys.
Okay. There's nothing in this, I don't think.
Right, we're staying in this code, right? This is a Banshee code, right?
Yeah. Think so.
Okay, we're staying in this code.
Your way.
Alright, you guys want to put on a little? Do you guys want to put on a little show while the ghost arrives?
Sure.
Alright, let's go to treehouse.
Why are we hanging out in treehouse?
Oh, true. Okay, don't go to treehouse.
Yeah, because I just like
Yeah,
Banshee,
Banshee.
like, goes there.
Yeah. All right, let's go to Stump. On top of Stump.
Okay.
Damn it! I messed up my scaling. Wait, guys.
What?
I swear to God, I just heard a crystal cave. I'm not gonna lie.
Seriously?
No,
Wait,
I heard
well,
like the
probably-
I heard like the faintest one. Wait, it's probably nothing. It's probably nothing. Probably someone accidentally touched the light because that.
Yep, nothing.
I think there's something in the treehouse. There's something in the treehouse.
That's just black over there.
Oh.
Oh, that's brown. Brown, what's up, brown?
Jesus. I just look over there and I
Same, I was scared.
Jesus. I just get so scared with ghosts. Like, to be honest, I've never met a ghost in Gorilla Tag.
Never. I met like a couple times. We had a couple of videos on it.
I've like never like.
Holy crap! You scared me. Oh my.
How do you even know if it's a ghost in
Dude. Alright, guys, we're gonna do like a little talent. We're gonna do like a little show.
Sure. Yeah, I want Taco View.
Alright, everyone,
I don't care.
perform. Perform.
I just like keep on like staring at the treehouse. Like something's gonna be there. I probably shouldn't stare at it.
Nah, don't stare at it. Don't stare at it. Yo, White, you should go in treehouse. Yo, Green, you having trouble? Yo, everyone, look at.
Kind of.
Hi, Green. Hi, Green.
I'm gonna get up there though. I did
Right,
it
don't worry.
before.
I believe in you.
Yeah, thanks you.
Do the thing. Do the thing.
Ah.
Do this.
What the frick? Oh, chicken. I don't think she's gonna join. Or
There's
it's a
hope.
here, but it's either a he or a she.
It's a she, it's a she.
Yeah, it's a she.
Who's a she?
Banshee.
There's literally a she in her name.
Okay.
Stop.
I fell off the stump. I want to stay on the stump right now. I'm like staying up. Brown.
45 times. 45 times.
I made it.
I tried.
Found the code that's pretty hot. Okay, I think
that's 45 Street on East North Street. 5.H145287
Oh, Banshee is in.
And no. Yeah, this is not Banshee.
Hello, I would like to eat you children.
Yeah, it's not.
Lol, skillish.
Skillish you! Oh, yo, what's up, guys?
What do you mean that's
It's actually kind of creepy. When you're up on the stump, and then you just see a Banshee just staring at you.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yo, guys, how's my acting going?
it's like she's
Answer the goddamn
staring
phone.
into your soul.
Follow me, guys.
Yo, where you going?
What?
Weren't you? Guys. So it's guys. The first code is J.
J? Wait, what? J?
Okay. J. V.
J3VU?
Wait, so what's
JVU?
the code?
JVU?
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
JV3U. And now
That code's gonna be
1,
full.
2.
That code is gonna be full.
No, it is not, bro.
Alright, fine.
Wait.
Oh, we're not gonna say like 69. Ah! Dude, that's 2 times! Oh my god. Dude. That's 2 times, bro.
Yo, what? So are we gonna join the other server?
JVU's full.
Oh.
Oh, someone must have touched this. Someone must have touched this.
Oh yeah. Because it makes a crystal sound.
Or not! Someone might be in caves.
Who knows?
Let's go check.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Monkeys, let's go. Face our fears. Oh my god! Why? The music scared me! Oh my god. Guys, I think I hear Banshee across the rocks. Run, guys! Run!
Yo! What the frick?
Under the table, guys! Under the table! Guys, Banshee's behind you! Run! Run! Dude, let me scale up Stump!
I have the bug for good luck.
Oh! Dude, huh? You tried to go for three for you tried.
So is it like the ghost of Banshee? Where are you guys?
We're on Stump.
You're on stuff? Like
Yeah,
on
we're on
top of
Stump.
it?
Well, I'm gonna close my eyes for a second. No! No!
Yo, but in caves though.
My eyes were open. My eyes were open. Yo, monkey music! This goes for a montage, guys.
What?
How do you guys even know if you guys see like the ghost of Banshee?
Shut up, guys. It's a montage.
Should we still look for Banshee?
Yeah, we should. Let's go. Let's go to Treehouse and summon a ritual.
Yeah, Brown is in the treehouse.
Everyone go to Treehouse and perform the PvP sign.
What's the
How do you guys even know if we?
Oh my
The
god!
ghost of Banshee.
It's like this. It's like this.
Jesus. Oh, like this.
Everyone form a circle.
How do you guys?
Dude, that firework, I thought it was a ghost. That firework launcher up there.
Oh,
Wait, how do you guys know?
That's so
How do you
terrifying.
guys know if you guys see a ghost?
It's pretty simple actually.
How?
Their movement. Oh my god. Dude, I'm literally gonna monkey myself.
Like,
Yeah.
does a ghost like look normal?
It looks like a regular monkey. Dude, let me see.
Oh. Then how do you know if they're a ghost?
By the sounds and the movement.
What do
Yeah,
they sound
movement goes.
They said like, I am the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 69, 420. Kind of like that. Okay.
I've seen movement before. Does
Oh.
it movement kick you or something if you go in front of it, or just become hostile?
I'm movement. I'm gonna kick you. Okay, guys. Well, this has been a blooper. No ghost has joined this code, so we're gonna blah, 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 blah.
Should we go back to Hex 1?
Yeah, let's go up to Hex 1 and end this video.
Yo, this is a video?
Yeah, you're on a video.
Oh. Wait, what's the name? What's the name of the video though?
I have no idea. It's probably gonna be called joining ghost codes with the.
Oh.
No, it's probably gonna be called
So, like,
assembling the
What's
monkey.
your channel? What's your
Hexbird
channel?
1. Hexbird 1. It's probably gonna be called assembling the monkeys.
Assembling the monkeys. As the name of the video?
Yes, cause when I first
When
met
is
you
it
guys,
gonna
we
be
were
uploaded?
assembling the monkeys. Right. Let's go to Hex
When is it
1.
gonna be uploaded?
You know what?
So, like,
Today. You know what? Don't go to Hex 1 because that'll just take like 59 hours. Everyone,
Okay, then what code?
this code. Let's go to city. Mirror.
Go to city.
Take a seat, monkeys. All right. We've been here on a journey. Everyone say their name.
Like our
Your actual
Not
name?
full name. Your username. Your phone. Your username.
I'm not going first.
Right. We'll start with you. Gorilla.
How do you guys?
We'll start with you. All right. We have
Why
assembled.
am I taller than you?
We have assembled the monkeys. And have you guys enjoyed?
Yes.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. You're glitching so much. Yeah, so my channel is Hexbird1, not Banshee.
Expert 1.
Yeah, HEX
Okay.
bird and then 1. My profile picture should be a rainbow bird king.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
A rainbow bird king.
a rainbow bird king. It's like a rainbow bird with a crown.
Okay.
Goodbye, monkeys. Group hug, everyone.
Goodbye.
Yes.
Right.
Right, before we end the video, hold. Everyone, stay here.
Am I famous? Am I famous?
Okay. All right. Okay.
I
Alright, before we end the video, who wants turkey and cupcakes and cookies?
Me.
Alright, everyone line up. Everyone line up. Line up. Line up. Line up. Alright, you go first. You go. You go. You go. Move! Alright, you go. Alright, take a
Thank
cookie.
you.
Take 2 cookies, because they're small. Just like alright, here you go. Who wants cupcake? They're refilled. Right, you already had your cupcake. You already had your cupcake. Right, Green, you can have your cupcake.
Sorry.
Green, you can have your
What?
cupcake. Here you go. Right, who else hasn't had a cupcake? Brown, you had your cupcake. You know, I haven't had my cup. Oh, Brown. Oh my God, Brown, you ate my cup. All right. Goodbye, monkeys.
Cookie.
I cannot be.
Bye.
Goodbye, monkeys.
Goodbye, monkey.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So your name is called Hexbird.
Hexbird 1.
Next.
Hexbird 1 again
I
with
wish
the
I could
rainbow
just, like,
bird, a
close
rainbow
every night.
owl. A rainbow owl for
Okay.
crown, and yeah. Goodbye, fellows.
Goodbye.
Bye.